What I've got in front of me here, I've got the 4 different FortrezZ water and temperature sensors. These are water leak and flood temp sensors. We make them in 2 different colored plastics. You can get it in this black or the white plastic. No other difference other than that between the plastics. And in 2 different variants with either an LED notification, or you can have them with the buzzer. Now that's just preference. Both are very popular. Some people want to hear them, especially if you've got lots of them around. If you're trying to figure out necessarily which one is going off without opening up your phone, the buzzer ones are really nice for locating themselves that way. However, they're not as water resistant as the LED ones. Obviously, if you splash water on here, you're going to get water inside the electronics, and within a few minutes you might just fry the board. So for those of you that might think that these are better for splash protection, they are. Now the back of the unit, I've got some Velcro here for a display, but you can see it's got 2 gold prongs at the bottom. This is what is the sensing element. You dip this in water and you will see that it shorts out, and it'll give you an alarm. Now the sensitivity levels have been tuned so that you don't get false alarms with humidity, and you won't get lack of alarm if you do get just enough moisture to detect for it. These also report temperature inside the unit itself. You've got a thermistor that will give you a temperature reading, so if you want to use this as a remote temperature probe, you can do so. Now again, the temperature is inside the unit, and it takes some time to get a reading. So if you just put it in the freezer, take it out, it won't necessarily give you the reading inside the freezer. You got to let it take time to get cold. White ones, same thing, just different color plastic. And then these units, you know, really the only difference is between the buzzer or the LED or the color of your plastic. So if you're going to throw these in a basement somewhere, you know, we'd go with the black. If these things are going to be somewhere where they're seen, maybe you go with the nicer white plastics. It's really up to you. Okay, so we're going to open up the box of this FortrezZ water and temperature sensor and show you what it looks like on the inside. And when you install a set of new batteries, you're going to get 3 quick beeps to indicate you've got a fresh new install. So to do that, it's got 4 screws. We're going to open them up. Just use a small Phillips head screwdriver. So here I've got the unit open. I've got no batteries installed. When you get the unit, the batteries are pre-installed or are not pre-installed. You would just open it up in the same way I showed you earlier. Take the batteries, pop them in, and you get that 3 beeps to let you know you're ready to go. So then you just close the case, put your screws back in, and you're ready to learn it back into the network. Okay, so we've got the water and temperature sensor here by FortrezZ. I've got a glass of just clear tap water. We're going to dunk this thing in here and show you how it alarms. Now this is the WWA02 LED version. You will see just the LED blink, and it's sending a Z-Wave command out that there is a water alarm. Now again, on the back side, you've got these 2 prongs. When these are dipped into water or water touches them, they short and then they send a alarm signal. So I've just got the unit here, dipping it in the water, and you can see it alarming the LEDs. Now when the water leak stops, you can reset it. If the unit has not been damaged, you can just reset it by drawing off the contacts and hitting the program button, holding it for a couple of seconds. It clears the alarm. This is the buzzer variant, the WWA01. I want to just simulate for you here a leak test. I've just got a simple glass of clear tap water. When I dunk this water sensor in, these two probes are going to touch the water, it shorts out, and I get a command that I have a water leak. So here we go. There you go. I'm just going to keep making that noise until the alarm is cleared.